Video number 9. How to share vertical videos. Instagram Reels. Instagram launched Reels, its competitor to TikTok, in August 2020. Users can upload and share short-form video content, typically accompanied with music, to their story or with friends. Sharing a reel is easy, just like sharing any other kind of post on Instagram, and can be done in just a few simple steps. In Instagram's latest update, the Reels feature can be found directly in the middle of the menu bar at the bottom of the screen. Open the Instagram app on your device. In the menu at the bottom of the app, select the Reels icon, which looks like a clapperboard, in the middle. Scroll through the Reels until you find the one you wish to share. Select the Share icon on the left. It looks like a paper plane. In the pop-up menu, select Add Reel to your story. When you're finished, select your story to add to your story, close friends, or send to. YouTube Shorts. As you browse videos on YouTube Shorts, you may come across a video that you want to share with other people. If you want to share a YouTube Shorts video, our guide will show you how this is done. While viewing a YouTube Shorts video you want to share, tap the Share button near the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap one of the buttons to share the video through an email, text message, WhatsApp, and so on. You can also tap the Copy Link button to copy a link to the video that you can paste anywhere. Snapchat Spotlight. Tap the Send To button located at the bottom right of the screen. Now tap on the Spotlight button at the top of the page. Here you need to agree to the Spotlight terms by tapping OK. Now to upload the Spotlight video using the button at the top of the screen. TikTok videos. Open TikTok. Navigate to a video you want to share. Tap the Share icon. Tap the sharing method you want. Send your post, message, or tweet. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.